Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start right in Settings. Open Display and Brightness and look at the Appearance section. This is where dark mode is controlled. Tap dark to enable it immediately and understand why. Dark backgrounds reduce glare and save battery on OLED screens. Once done, make sure to note the automatic toggle below. That lets you schedule dark mode. If you want instant changes, use Control Center after setting it up here. This first step gets the feature active and explains the benefit. Now refine when dark mode runs. Turn on automatic, then tap options to choose sunset to sunrise for natural timing or custom schedule to pick exact hours. You're doing this because timing affects comfort and battery life during evening use. Next, go to Display and Brightness and open Night Shift to warm colors at night and toggle True Tone for natural whites. Once scheduled, apps that follow system settings will switch automatically, so make sure key apps are set to follow appearance for Finish by adding dark mode to Control Center. Go to Settings Control Center and add appearance. This gives you one-tap toggling while you test. If some apps don't switch, open those app settings and set appearance to follow system or dark manually. Developers sometimes hardcode themes. Finally, if dark mode acts oddly, restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates. A reboot or update fixes most glitches. If problems persist, reset settings as a last resort to restore correct behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.